I bought these vacuum seal bags for my son's trip, and I have to say they really work out well. The first thing that caught my attention was that they come in 4 different sizes, and you're not stuck using one size for everything. It has jumbo bags all the way to small bags. The next thing is this clip. This is to help seal the bag. You just stick it on there and run it back and forth. But honestly, it was way easier just to use my fingers to close it up, just like a Ziploc baggie. Once I got the hang of it, it was real easy to do. So first we rolled the clothes up individually and put them into the bag and then seal it before using the pump. The pump is rechargeable, which I really like, so you don't have to mess around with batteries. It does come with a USB charging cord, but you do need your own charging block. The pump itself is small, so it doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's real easy to use. Once I turned it on, it starts sucking the air out pretty quickly, and it's nice to see the bag shrink down as the air came out. What really impressed me was how much space they saved. My son packed 9 days worth of clothes, and once everything was vacuum sealed, it all fit into the carry-on, so he did not have to check a bag. That alone made it worth it to me. If you've ever tried to pack for a longer trip and felt like your suitcase was filled up too fast, you can really appreciate how this is very helpful. Besides using them for travel, you can use them to store out-of-season clothes or big blankets. They're totally worth it.